Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, we'll get it started. So maybe I'm unable to hear from Rekha and hello, Priya. Able to hear me, both of you?
Yes, hello. I can
Yeah,
hear you now. Yes.
good, Priya. So afternoon once again, and welcome everyone to the demo session. Yeah, Rekha, are you able to hear me? Am I audible
Yes,
for you,
Sanjay, I
Rekha?
can able to hear you.
Wonderful, Rekha. Very nice, very nice. So we'll get it started. I'm Mannadurai. Basically, I'm a test manager. I'm having almost 19 years of experience in this particular field, software testing. Okay, so even as usual, I'm also started as beginning as a test engineer and then played a various role in this journey. And training is also one of the fascination. That's what you are able to see. I'm associated with IT Talent Hub as part of the training session. Apart from that, as I told, we are working for a lot of projects with respect to the real time with the various clients. Okay, and even earlier I do have the experience and worked on the large scale delivery assurance test manager and then test manager and even project lead and the technical lead also. That's what my quick background about. The IT Talent Hub, the particular office location, our office location is near to the Ilford railway station. It's, I can say exactly maybe around 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes walkable from the railway station. Okay, so already we have the largest independent community in UK, and we are providing this training services more than 10 years in London. Office is especially available in Ilford, and then as I told, near to the Elizabeth railway station. Okay, near to the Elizabeth railway station. And then we have the dedicated recruitment team, and already we have excess of 1,500 people. Maybe I can say that in the community, and especially that our main target is on the training, networking, and the recruitment. These are all our core part in our training. Okay, as per the company service. Okay, so once again, hello, Alok. Hello, Alok. Able to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, Alok, newly joined. Are you there? I will come back to you. Okay, so welcome to the demo. Second, so now our clients. If I want to say that major clients are like a department for education and then Cocorio, LGP, Myco, test partners, and Transform. These are all our core clients. Apart from that, we have a lot of clients, but these are all our core clients. And every month, even we are training not only from the testing, even we do have testing on the DevOps, full stack development, data science, and various security, various other factors also. And almost like these are all the people got the placement in last month. Okay, in the various organization. Yes, and everyone, maybe we have a specific question like why IT Talent Hub? What is the specialty? We have the top quality trainers, especially as I told, I'm having 19 years of experience like that. We have more years of experience trainers, not like only on the training. We are also working on the projects, working on the companies. Also, we are taking care of the training so that you will be feeling something different on the quality and the delivery of the content, and make sure that you people are also up to the market expectation. Okay, so curriculum is designed as per the UK market. How I can say, see, whatever the material, okay, whatever the material, if you are able to see, these are all the content day-to-day basis. If I'm going to take any sessions, we are developed our own material. Okay, whatever I'm going to give you, our own maybe the tailored material. I can say that a simplified and a tailored material, which is easy for you to understand and learn. Okay, it's not more complicated. Okay, also covering all the expected content as per the job need. Okay, so and even as I told earlier, we are placed almost 10 plus student also in the last month, and exclusively we have the job support program to support the people after the training. That's also available. And the link, we have the links to the top companies on the recruitment, and we will also help those HRs to find the right candidate, especially if they will contact us, and then we will give our training students to them for the placements. And the dedicated recruitment team, we have also recruitment team. There, once you are completed with your trainings, they will be taking care of your recruitment process further. This is a second stage. So they will be understanding your skills and what are all your core interested area and what is the level of the knowledge you have. Accordingly, they will help you to identify the right job. And the live project from the startup companies also, they will be able to support you. And well, yeah, as usual, interview preparation at the end of the training program, and the certification based on the training is nothing but if you are completed and if you are willing to go for some ISTQB and other certifications, yes, that is possible. But again, our training is specifically for the job related. These certification based training are theoretical. We will help you for that, but not like this training is completely towards the certification program. Okay, so you should understand the difference. This is completely for the job role. Okay, for the exactly UK market, what is the expected on the job related skills, we are focusing on it. Right, so now we will go with the demo. Till now, any doubt? Till now, any doubt? Can you proceed? Yes.
Yes, no doubt.
Yeah, okay, right, fantastic. So now maybe for anyone whoever new to the software testing, as I told, the syllabus will be starting from what is a software, what is a software testing, okay, how you as a software test engineer, how you want to approach for the testing mind setup. Okay, basically that is very core part. Yes, okay. So from the beginning, suppose if I'm asking what is a software, how you will define what is a software? What is a software? How you will be defining what is a software? Any idea? What is a software?
Software means
Hmm,
programming. We
hmm,
did programming and make
hmm,
for easier for a
hmm,
human,
hmm.
I think.
Right? A software is a set of program. Software is a set of program. Okay. Suppose if I'm going towards with the Amazon application. Okay. So Amazon. So now what is this Amazon application? What is all about the Amazon application? What is this?
Amazon is a online shopping application
Exactly.
for
It's an
shopping
online
everywhere.
e-commerce application. Online e-commerce application. Okay. So why we are developed this application and what is the purpose of this application?
How to use the customers.
The customer need online shopping. Okay. The customer need to do online shopping. Okay. So the end user need to do the online shopping. Okay. So for us, who is the customer? For us, who is the
Users.
customer? Users. Okay. So Amazon is the company going to provide this particular service to the end users. So software is the application. It's a set of program. It's a set of program designed especially to meet the customer and the end user requirement. Customer and end user
Requirements.
requirements. Okay. Suppose you are thought of like I want to do something on the e-commerce application. We cannot go with our own idea and thoughts. What is needed for the customer and the end user only, we have to develop the application. True. Suppose you are a
Yes.
civil engineer. Can I say that I'm going to construct on my own or my interested path to the people? They may like or they may not like. Right. So how to do it for the customer need, for the customer need, right? Suppose you are saying that no, I want a triple bedroom house, this is what my need. So the engineer has to construct the house for your requirement. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. The software application also in such a way, the programs, it's a set of program developed for the customer and the end user need. Clear? Now then, what is software testing? Why we need the software testing? Why we need the software testing then? If you are developing the application for the customer need, then I want to ensure whether the application is working. No? It's not like something I have given. Whatever I have provided to them, it should work properly. It should work properly.
Working or not.
Working or not. Okay. So testing is applicable in all the areas. Testing is applicable in all the areas. Testing is applicable in all the areas. What are all the areas? Like suppose the construction, electronics, electrical item, everywhere you will find that any product, if we are getting any product, suppose I'm getting some product, it will mention that it tested okay. They will mention
If it's working properly, is it good?
tested okay. Any material, electronic, any material, electrical, any device, if we are getting, they will mention tested okay, because we need to provide the quality product to the end user. Quality product to the end user. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason? There may be some defect. The customer will update me. I can fix the defect and then we can work on that. What is wrong? Why we will not do that? Because suppose you are working on any application, the application is keep on giving some error. It's not working properly, or it is sum up whatever the cost it should take from you, but it is added with some delta more money. Okay, or worst case it is reduced. It's charged the less money. Then where is the problem? The problem will go to the customer. He will lose the money. Okay, so whatever it is, it is the problem. No, we cannot deploy any defect product to the end user. Okay, even there are many places we have the regulatory bodies. Okay, so they will monitor every application. If there are any problem, they won't accept. Okay, we should give the quality product. Or even the people are frustrated, they won't come to our website, they won't use our product. Then where is the gap? Who will be the loser? Customer is the loser, right? So there won't be any business for them. Agree? Yes. Yes. So we want to ensure whatever we are delivering should be a quality product to the end user. Clear? Also, some of the places, if you are seeing like the medical equipment and the medical software or the financial software, if the monitoring board, the control, okay, regulatory bodies are observed there is a problem, then it will be leads to the penalties. That will be the very huge amount. The company won't take that kind of challenges. So we have to ensure the application is properly developed and tested thoroughly before going to the end user. Clear? Makes sense? Yes. And especially we are software tester. We are not going for the electrical, electronics, whatever. We are specifically focusing towards the software applications. Software applications. Correct? So what is this one? This is also one of the software application only, no ma? Yes. Yeah. We are not going to test anything like with the electrical item, fan, electronic item, nothing. We are going to test only the software applications. So we are software test engineer. We are software test engineers. Okay. So for that we need many skills. Skills. Correct? No. Yes. Every field need the skills. Okay. Yes. So here what we want to understand, how to approach a application to do the testing. So first of all, we want to understand even what is my software application architecture. Okay. Suppose I told like this is the Amazon application. Correct? Okay. So you are the end user. I'm sitting in front of my application. I'm the user. Okay. I'm having my laptop. I'm having my laptop. Through my laptop, I'm reaching the Amazon server through my laptop. See here, through my laptop. Okay, I don't want to do through my laptop. Okay, through my laptop. Yes, I'm reaching the Amazon server through the URL. Now I'm connected with the Amazon application. I correct? No? Yes. I have connected with the Amazon application. Now, from the Amazon application, I will get all the responses. Okay. This is called front-end application or user interface. Okay, why we are calling user interface or front-end application? This is the gateway for me to interact with the server and the database to provide or to get the information from the server or the backend. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's what this is called as a front end or user interface. Without this user interface, it's very much tough to navigate to the code of for the server and the database to see the proper information. That's what mostly our testing is going to happen from the front end application. But even I cannot say that this is the only area, because even we have next layer called middleware layer. Middleware layer is API, application programming interface. Application programming interface. Interface. This is the API where it will communicate from the front end to the server or from the server to the front end. Why we are using API means API is the proper format. It will use only the XML or the JSON format for the communication. So that even though any language, any technology, they are developed the application, here any technology, the server is available, this will understand the API format. Both will understand the API format. Okay. So now you are saying that you are connecting with your own server, but maybe there are many possibility to connect from this server to the other servers to get the relevant information. Okay. See here, now I'm able to search with some of the flight. Okay. Skyscanner application, something. Okay. Fine. If I'm searching now, okay. If I'm
Can you share
searching
your
now,
screen, please?
sorry. Yeah. Able to
Yes,
see?
it's okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Earlier, you are not able to see my screen?
I am able to see until now, Andy.
Until now, yeah, Amazon application screen, you are able to see, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone. Okay, fine. Maybe disconnected. No problem. So if I'm able to search this particular one, in particular application, okay, are the Skyscanner are running many flights? Hmm? Do you think that the Skyscanner are running many flights? The Skyscanner also will reach to the different service provider. No, see here, ma. Huh? Different service provider, and then they will get the information. No, so it's not like only it's reaching to the Skyscanner server. It will reach to the many of the other service provider to get the relevant information. Agree? If that is the case, our communication should reach to the wider aspect by understanding all the server. That's the reason they are using API as the communication media. It's called also a middleware layer. Okay, clear? Yes. So we are going to have one
Yes.
particular session for the API testing using Postman as the tool, how we are going to do the API testing. And also, as I told, we have the database. No, what is a database? How to do the database testing? What is the purpose of doing the database testing? Also, we are going to conduct one session to understand the database and how to do the queries and how to do the testing with respect to the database. Okay, one session for that. Also, you have to understand, okay, but using the dummy website, okay, you don't want to really go to the real database, okay, and even API also using the dummy website, how to do the exact API testing, okay, and then you should also understand that third-party applications are also integrated with your application. What is that? What is that? Now you are able to see the Amazon application, okay. So Amazon application, what is this? What is this? Google Maps? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Google Maps. Whenever you are purchased, you will pay the money, no, to Amazon. Yeah. Through which application you will pay? Through which application you will pay? It's a
Account.
payment gateway. It's a payment gateway. Okay. Amazon not developed that application. Amazon incorporated, purchased that application and incorporated with their application. That's it. It's a separate third-party application. Got it? Even the Google Maps or the payment gateway, if you want to develop separately, then it will take years and years. Got it? Already these people are developed and it's error free. We can just want to incorporate. We want to just incorporate. Now you are traveling on the Uber cab. You are traveling on the Uber cab, or you are added some food items, Zomato or anything. Okay, Uber Eats. The person clearly knows about your location. Yes, the person.
Knows
They
about
know
Your location.
our locations.
You don't want to say turn right, turn left, whatever. They will come to your door. Just they will press the bell. They will give it to you.
Yes.
The same
Yeah.
thing. You are booking a cab also from door to door. They knows what are all the routes they have to travel, and you have to either pick up or drop. They will do it properly. Correct, Amma? Okay. But
Yes,
even
and
the payment also will be happening. Your payment will be gone through even food ordering and or the car travel or any of the travel. Correct? Yes. Okay, but those things are additional. Even though you are running maybe later on you want to do your own business. Okay, so then you are also set up with your website. You are also good at doing the payment, everything. Okay, but you don't want to create the payment from your website. You have to pay for that already established application is there. Just to purchase and do the plugin. Those are all called third-party application services. Those are all called third-party application services. Application services. So we need to also understand just third-party application services also part of our software. Got it? Because we want to know the people in your organization, they may use a number of varieties, but you should know about it. Also, we need to understand that what is like, see, this particular one is what is this application? What is this application? Amazon application can be accessible for everyone. Amazon application or the Sky Scanner is accessible for everyone.
Yes.
So this is
yes,
called
Yes.
everyone. Yeah, I can also able to access. You are also able to access. So this is called internet application. This is called internet application. This is
internet.
called internet application. Okay, internet application. There are some applications in the office circle. We are able to only connect through your network, connect through your VPN, and you can access through the network. Is called intranet application. Is called intranet application. It's more secured application. Intranet application. Internet common application through internet. Everyone can able to access. There is another one application called intranet application. Another one application called intranet application. What is the purpose of intranet application? Those application can be accessible only by the those applications are
VPN.
accessible only by the
Particular person.
VPN.
only by the specified people. Whoever available in the network only they can able to do. Got it, Amma? Other people
Yes.
cannot. So that is called
Yes.
intranet application, like your
Internet.
attendance system or your payroll system or your office related information is only accessible through your network. Clear? Even
Yeah.
maybe you can ask, I will access from my work from home. You are connected through the VPN, through the network, you are able to access. For this particular application, whether I go connected with any VPN, no, directly I'm able to access. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, this is called internet application, intranet
Internet.
application. That is within the network is intranet application. Okay. Then another one thing we have to also understand is, okay, now calculator. Okay. Calculator. What is this application? What is
Inbuilt
this application?
application
Sorry?
is
Ah,
inbuilt in a computer.
inbuilt application. Perfect. My inbuilt application. Normally, we'll call this as a Windows application or a desktop application. Windows
Windows.
or desktop applications is inbuilt. I don't want any internet, anything, because these exe files are available in my local only. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Even though network is there, internet is there or not, I will able to access these softwares, which is inbuilt to my system. Is called Windows or desktop applications. Windows or desktop applications. Clear? Okay. And
Yes.
also you need to also understand one more thing. Okay. Also you need to understand about one more thing, which is called nowadays, what is the device many people will use?
Phone.
Phone. Through phone also we are able to access our browser and are able to access the same content through mobile browser.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Another one is through
Yes.
mobile app. Another one is through
Cap.
mobile app.
Yeah.
Huh? Through mobile, two ways. One is through mobile browser. Another one is through mobile
Yeah.
app.
Mobile app.
So as a test engineer, we need to understand that also, because nowadays, suppose if anyone is asking you, immediately you will take the phone and then you will do it. The device usage is compared to the laptop and desktop more on the. So if the people using more on the mobile devices, as a test engineer, we are also has to test
Mobile
our
app.
application
Mobile
is working. Our application is working. We are not going to test anything on the mobile device. Our interest is to do that application testing through mobile device. Correct?
Yes.
Because I'm using Samsung phone means Samsung phone is tested by Samsung people. We don't want to test the phone. We want to do the testing on my application is working
Application.
properly through the device. Yes.
Yes.
That is also test engineer responsibility. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Also, we want to understand. Initially, we will aware of how to do a testing using our okay, Excel format. Okay, Excel template. So we will, as a test engineer, you want to understand how to write the test cases. Okay, so before to that, even you will be understanding on what is SDLC, what is STLC. Okay, so what is SDLC means for any software development. You want to go with the phases, defined phases is called SDLC. Don't worry. In the training, you will be extensively go through this. So any development process, software, any development process has to go through these, cycles, requirement gathering, designing the application, developing the application, testing the application, deploying the build and maintenance. Okay. These are all the different stages in the development. Okay, here whatever you are seeing the testing, this particular testing is elaborated in the STLC lifecycle, which is called software testing lifecycle, which will go from requirement analysis. This is requirement gathering. This is requirement analysis. Okay, meaning of you have to analyze the requirement. You have to plan your testing. You have to develop the test case. You have to ready with the environment to execute. Then test execution, test cycle closure. These are all called STLC lifecycle, software testing lifecycle. Okay. And also you will be also understanding about, after this, even we will be also understanding about testing principles. There are 7 principles of testing. Why exactly we want to do the testing? We want to follow the principles of testing. Okay. We want to follow the principles. Suppose if you are asking, what is your life principle? Means you will say some principles, I want to achieve this. I want to be a good person. I want to wake up early in the morning. These are all our principle example. Got it? So like that, if you are doing some testing, means testing should have some principles, Agree or no?
Yes.
Yes. So always as a test engineer, we should keep that in mind. I cannot say that all 7 principles you should implement. No, whatever applicable. First of all, I will aware of what is 7 principle only. I will implement what is best in that particular place. Got it? So you will also aware of the principles of testing. Got it till now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So principles of testing. Right. So after that, you will be going through the how to prepare your test case, how to prepare the test case using Excel format, because this is the initial stage. You have to understand what is your requirement, how your requirement will be, how to write the test scenarios, then how to write your test cases using the defined template. Okay, this will be explained. And also how to create a defect, if there are something not working, how I can create my defect, what is the template, how to use this, everything you are going to learn. Once initially, and also like different types of testing, levels of testing, types of testings. Okay, everything you want to understand, because those are all very much needed. See, simply we cannot say that the testing is very easy, because testing should go with the proper stages and principles. Got it? So then what is the difference between the other people and the trained skilled people? Yeah. Suppose a person is directly going and do some cooking, but other person is already aware of how process, what exactly the different stages, and how best we need to cook the proper food. So who will prepare proper food, and which taste will be good? Which one the taste will be good?
Who has already experienced
Already experienced and know how, what are all the
how to
different
make the
stages, how to add the content properly. Even little bit of salt, if you are added extra also, it will be wasted. Correct? No? If the salt is less also, it is wasted. It may not be proper. Yeah? It won't give proper taste. Agree?
Yes.
So we have to
Yes.
go in the proper approach. Proper approach. What are all needed for that? We should gain the skill, and then we need to. Okay, right. So once the preparation on the Excel, on the test case preparation, test execution, everything you are gone through, then we will go through the then we will go through the next stage called Jira. Jira is the tool. Jira is the tool. Okay. So what is Jira means? Jira is the test management tool. What is Jira? What is Jira?
Test
Test
management.
management
Test
tool.
Sorry,
management tool.
project management tool, not only the test management tool. We have to say, I have to say project management tool. Project management tool. Why we are calling Jira as the project management tool? Meaning of the using Jira, you can able to handle the entire project delivery, right from the requirement, creation of task. Okay, creation of, see here, right from the story is the requirement, task, defect, epic, scenario, everything you are able to create. Okay. Also, this is the mostly really flexible towards the agile. Even you are going to learn the agile process. Okay, agile scrum process. What is a scrum? Because nowadays everyone will ask in your interview and the processes, are you trained, are you skilled on the agile? So you should be familiar with the agile process. You should be familiar with the
Agile process.
agile process. Agile process. Okay, what is agile? Agile is the fast delivery, fast development and delivery. How we will follow the agile process? Okay, we have agile Kanban and Scrum. What are all those differences? And we will mainly go and understand about the agile Scrum framework. Agile, mostly we are going to work on the agile Scrum framework. Agile Scrum framework. Okay. Agile, we will be understanding on the Agile Scrum framework. Okay. So here we will have some Scrum Master, product owner, different roles and responsibility, and how exactly as a test engineer or the project will run in the Agile, we will see 1 or 2 sessions. Okay. Clear? Because now the market expectation is needed. Okay. That's what. I'm able to see one person is joined. Hello. Maybe you can keep your video mute. Yeah. Welcome. So once again, I will come finally to you and we'll talk to you. Right. So till here, fine. Everything? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Agile, how exactly we want to understand on the Agile process, and then as a test engineer, we are going to work on the Agile delivery model. Then, as I told, we are coming to the Jira. Jira is the project management tool. Then we will be also understanding on how exactly to set up Jira from the base. You people are going to set up the Jira. Okay. And then how you are working on the Jira as a software engineer or the like a test engineer, you are going to use the Jira. And even we have to set up with the Cypher Squad is the one more plugin to write the test cases, Okay. So here you will be able to set up the Cypher Squad. Okay, we will set up the Cypher Squad is already completed license. Okay, we will use a trial license. So the Cypher Squad will be giving the option for you to write the test cases and execute the test cases, because earlier you are used the Excel. Now you want to use the Jira software for that. Got my point? Yes. So exactly everything you will now the second layer, you are going to use the tool Jira, okay, for the test preparation, defect tracking, task progress, okay. And exactly this is flexible towards the Agile delivery model because we are using sprint and everything as per the Agile delivery model. Got it? This also you are going to learn from there. Till now clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So once you are done with this part, once you are done with this particular part, okay. Right. So once you are done with it, maybe I'm getting echo. Already, yeah. Fantastic. Yeah, maybe your screen is shared, something and that. So maybe how I can call you? Just you are connected as a guest. I'm unable to hear you. Okay, we'll come back again. Right. So once we are completed with the Jira, okay, then we will be you will be understanding on what is a functional testing, what is just a non-functional testing. Okay, for the higher level idea on what is non-functional testing. Okay, because you are the functional tester. Just for the sake of understanding, you will be going through the what is a non-functional testing. Okay, so once these are all completed, then we will be going towards the automation part. Okay, so almost 1 month for manual, then we will be going towards for the automation part. In the automation part, you will be learning initially with the Java, core Java. Okay, so once you are done with the core Java, then you will be moving towards the Selenium. You are moving towards the Selenium. Okay, in the Selenium, how we will do the browser automation? Suppose now, if we want to do this one, okay, you will manually do it. Correct? No, open the browser. See here. Huh? If I want to open the browser, I'm opening the browser manually. Correct? Okay. Then enter the URL Amazon. Okay. Then I want to enter something here, or I want to click something here. Manually, I'm doing. Okay. And also as a test engineer, you have to understand always you have to do both the positive and negative testing. Always you have to do both the positive and negative testing. Positive is nothing but if I'm giving the proper email ID and I want to navigate, it should go to the next stage. Okay. But what is negative testing? If I'm giving something invalid email ID, then it should throw the proper error message. Correct? This is negative testing. So wherever the places, as a test engineer, we have to do both positive and negative testing, both positive and negative testing. Clear? Yes. As a test engineer, you should do both
Positive and negative testing.
negative testing. Positive is I'm giving valid input data, it should navigate. Okay. So you have your door key. I'm opening my door with my key, it should open. Now I'm opening my door with the other key. What is expected?
Negative
Not
testing.
to open.
It should not open. Correct? If it is a software, it should throw error. Hey, you are using something wrong. Correct? No? Yeah.
Yes.
If you are doing some login, okay, suppose you know the other person, we know the other person email ID. If you are just keeping it, it should not allow without the valid email ID or the password. Correct? So those are all security wise. Okay. Clear? So now the same thing, maybe I can go towards the simple application project. Okay. So here you can create a simple project in the IntelliJ. Okay. And now even don't worry, we will also have the AI incorporated with automation. Your automation will be very simple now. Okay, it's not like too much rocket science, but you should know about the basic things. Then you will be doing the very proper appropriate automation. Okay, clear? Suppose now, okay, I will go towards okay some project, open recent project. 1 second. Okay. Right. We'll go with some project. Suppose I'm just going to something one. Yeah. So this is called one of the class. Okay. In this, I want to create a. In this, I want to create the some program, small program. I want to create a small program. Okay. So how I can create now? I want to open my browser. No, I want to open my browser. Which browser? Which browser you want to open? Either Edge browser or Chrome browser, anything. Okay. Right. Got it. Okay. So web driver. Okay.
Can you
So,
share your screen?
oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Screen. So you are able to see my screen now.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So just maybe if you want, I have just opened a program. I have created one simple program here. Okay. So then I'm just going to open a browser and just I want to show you. If I'm doing anything manually, I want to manually open my application. Correct. See here. Suppose I'm saying that google.com. Okay. Go open the browser and then type google.com. Then enter. Then I want to search something. Am I right? Okay. So the same thing we can do through the automation. Same thing we can do through the automation. How we can do through the automation? Okay. So I'd say already we have the main method under that Webdriver. Okay. Driver equal to new Chrome driver. I'm saying that Chrome driver. Okay. Chrome driver means Chrome browser. I want to open the Chrome browser. This is the code to open the Chrome browser. Okay. So then I want to just maximize. Then maximize driver dot manage dot. Okay. Manage dot maximize window. This is nothing but after you are opening, just a double click. See, now if I'm just opening my browser, it will open like this, no? Correct? If you are maximizing, then it will maximize it for like this. Okay. For maximizing, this is the code. Then I have to enter this URL. I have to enter this URL. Okay. I have to get this URL. What is that? What is that? Google.com. Now I will get this one. Okay. After this, I have to search something. Okay. Then I have to do the remaining. So till now we can we run this one to just to open the browser? Yes. Run it. So now I'm not doing anything manually. Just I have written the code. The code will invoke the browser and then it will get the google.com URL. See here. Yes. Schema. Correct. Yes. You are getting some here.
Yeah.
You are getting some content. So now I need to accept this. Now I need to accept this. What is the element? Because the code don't understand the now you are understanding by the visibility, but the code won't understand on the visibility. The code will understand based on the element. Okay. So I will inspect the element. Then I will click on that element. Okay. So just don't worry because you are not aware of anything. Okay, from the beginning, you will be understand about how exactly we can do our automation part. How exactly you are doing your automation part. This is the ID. See, this is the ID. I have to take this ID. Now I will say, okay. Now I will say, see here. If I'm highlighting this ID, this is highlighted. Yes. See. Now if I'm going towards here, that button is highlighted. Yes. See, ma. Now
Yes.
I'm going to this ID. The button is highlighting. So this is the ID. I will take this ID. How I went? Just right click, inspect. Right click, inspect. Okay. So this is the above. This is ID. Even I can identify with the class, but I will go with ID. Okay. So this ID. I'm taken this ID. Okay. I'm taken this ID. Just double click. Take this ID. Take this ID. Come here. Driver dot find element dot find element by dot. Okay, by dot ID. Now we are taken ID only, no? Yes, by dot ID. Okay. So what is the ID? This is the ID, correct? This is the ID, right? Okay. Now after I'm clicking, I'm just saying send key Selenium. Okay, something like that. Send key Selenium like this. Okay. Then I'm saying keys dot enter. Keys dot enter means just after clicking this one, we are entering Selenium, or I will say that here IT talent hub, IT talent, okay, talent hub, okay, IT talent hub. Then I'm entering this enter button. After I'm entering this sending, it means this text will be typed here. This text will be passed here. Okay, then it will click on enter. That's it. Now we will see this page. Got it up? Okay. So that's what we are written here. Now I will close this. See here. Now run this code. We have to write the script, but while running just run button, the script will run. See, came, everything came. Agree?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This is what automation. This is what? This is what the automation. We are not manually opening. We are not manually entering. This is what automation. So how to do the automation also? We are going to learn using Java and Selenium. Using Java and Selenium. Yeah. And even with the framework, everything we will go on stage by stage. I will explain it. Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Just to open up.
No.
So are you clear? Okay. And as I told, don't worry about I have background. No background needed. Completely come up with a fresh mind. Come up with a fresh mind. And your contribution is needed to practice and do your assignment and the task. That's it I want. Okay. No other prerequisite needed. Software level, language, Java level, nothing needed. Okay. So even the Java setup, everything we will do on the session only. You will understand in IntelliJ configuration, Java configuration, everything you will do on the session only. Okay. Clear? But I want your practice. Suppose if I'm giving some examples, I'm asking you to do more, you have to do more. Yes?
Okay.
Any doubt?
Yes.
Any doubt? So can I please request the guest name? Who is this, please, if possible? Can I know your name, please? No, I'm unable to hear you. Yeah, please. Can you unmute and give your intro, if possible? No, you're unable to unmute. Okay, no problem. I'm not sure. So once again, maybe I want to show the remaining part, then we'll take it up forward. Or you can ping your name also. If possible, ping your name and phone number in the chat so that we will share the content for you, the recording and the other content for you. Okay. If possible, just ping me your name and the number, phone number, so that I will ask the coordinator to give the details to you. Okay. Because I'm unable to talk to you now based on the mute. Fine, right. So remaining part, we'll go ahead. Okay, so we have like a job support approach at the end of the training. Okay, so after the training, they will evaluate, they will assess, and then they will go for the job support program. As I told, there are two approaches. One is like a normal approach will be they will guide you how to approach for the job and how to make the proper CV. They will give the base CV and then they will guide you. Another one is premium support. Maybe you will pay some additional amount for the job support program, so that you will be receiving a lot more facilities, like you are having a mentor and you have the recruiter will be supporting for you from the company, and the CV writer and marketing agent, and another like a project support like mentor also will be available. These are all the additional support for the premium services.